The Kerala government has not yet explained as to why women between the ages of 10 and 50 are being screened and checked for their IDs before entering the Sabarimala temple while their male counterparts are being let in without being screened. On Monday, Mirror Now showed how the police stepped up screening processes for women, checking buses and devotees at key checkposts en route to the shrine. Even at the base camp, women are being screened. Now, this is a clear violation of the Supreme Court's order that says that women can enter the temple. Remember, while reviewing the pleas earlier last week, the Supreme Court had not placed any stay on the entry of women devotees.
కింద దిగ్గని చెప్పాడా లేదు
లేదు సార్
వెళ్ళొచ్చు కదా పైన
పైకి చెప్పలేదు పైకి చెప్పలేదు
దిగ్గని చెప్పాడా
സ്ത്രീകളുടെ എൻട്രി ഫോർ ദി കേരളസ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദി സ്റ്റേറ്റ് 10 to 50
സിഎം പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്
അല്ല സർ നിങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു ലൈക്ക് യു വാണ്ട് കോർട്ട് പെർമിഷൻ
പറഞ്ഞു അതൊക്കെ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞ കാര്യം
അല്ല സർ ഒരു കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആയിട്ട്
ഒരു കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഇല്ല നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലേ ഉള്ളൂ എനിക്കോ ഇത് കേട്ടവർക്കോ ഒരു ലീഗൽ ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് ആർക്കും ഒരു കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഇല്ല
ലീഗൽ ആയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ കോർട്ട് പെർമിഷനോട് വന്നെങ്കിൽ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഇല്ല
സ്ത്രീകൾക്ക് കയറാൻ പറ്റുമോ സർ
നോ പെർമിഷൻ നോട്ട് ഗിവൻ സർ ഒരു ചെറിയ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ.
And a 12-year-old girl was stopped near the Pamba guard room by the Kerala police. The girl was on her way to the Sabarimala temple with her father when she was stopped by the cops and asked to provide age proof. Mirror Now's Pramod Madhav has brought this report from Pamba. Take a look.
Sabarimala pilgrim season has started, and this is the holy river Pamba where the pilgrims come, take a bath and go, believing that this will wash their sins. Even after Supreme Court providing no stay for women between the age of 10 to 50 enter the temple, Kerala government in its own statements looks like are not allowing or even discouraging women to enter, because they have said that they will not provide any kind of police protection unless the women who are willing would bring a court permission. When we approached the authorities to find out what this court permission was, they could not provide an answer. There is no concrete answer as to why Kerala government has taken this kind of step right now. But back in Nilakal itself, if the police feel that a woman is under 50 years old, they are asking for her ID cards and she's stopped over there. With camera person Saravanan, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.
My colleague Pramod Madhav joins me live from Sabarimala. Now, Pramod, we've seen since the temple gates have opened, no women have entered. In fact, there's been an increased screening since the last time that the temple gates were open. Even today, a 12-year-old girl was stopped on her way, separated from her father until he came back from the shrine itself.
It's very unfortunate that such atrocities are still occurring, and yesterday we saw what was happening at Nilakal. Right now we are at Pamba, and behind me you could see this is a guard's room. Just almost 10 meters from this guard room is a place through which you walk all the way to Pamba, Sabarimala, and there you see the police. And what they generally do is that any devotee who come over here, they are not checked. But if I feel that a woman who is passing by is between the age of 10 to 50, they immediately stop. They ask for the ID card, either from her or from her relatives. And if they are not able to provide an ID card, they don't take any chance. They immediately, send her back. Or just in today's case, where a 12-year-old girl who came with the family from Puducherry, her father has gone up, and the girl was made to stay only here. That's the most unfortunate part that is happening. It is definitely illegal. The Supreme Court has not stopped or stayed any kind of activity, and everybody, women of all age, can definitely enter. The police do not want to provide us a direct answer, but unfortunately, some of the children and women between the age of 10 to 50 are going through this atrocity at Pamba itself.
Right now, Pramod, since the gates have reopened, we saw 10 women from Andhra Pradesh were sent back. Yesterday, there was another incident where another woman from Andhra Pradesh was stopped, her ID card was checked, and then she was sent back. This is the third such incident that we have on camera where the police are excessively checking women especially and turning them back. Now, take us through the sequence of checks that women have to go through, the various security points that are en route to the Sabarimala shrine itself.
Well, for Sabarimala itself, close to 10,071 police have been deployed. This has the RAF, the Kerala police, and various other sections as well. And what they do is that the checking starts from Pathanamthitta as well, but rigorous checking begins from Nilakal and in Pamba, and then like various other policemen have been placed in Sabarimala itself. Yesterday, what happened, what you saw was at Nilakal, where people can only come from Nilakal to Pamba only through government buses. The police check the government bus and allow them. And if they feel that they are just visually looking for it, they are blatantly looking for 10 to 50, though they various other reasons are there. They only believe that women from 10 to 50 are menstruating, and they want to, unfortunately, they are stopping them there. And what happens is that if any child or women crosses that path, they are blocked over here. This is a second and final check post. This is Pamba, the guards room. The first day also, 10 women who came from Vijayawada was stopped here. You have to cross Pamba river and come over here. And today also, the 12-year-old girl was stopped over here. You could see some location called as Kerala Police Control Room. This is where they go call them. In fact, children, there are two things that occur over here. The first thing is that the children will be called in and a tag will be placed in. And if when they find out if the child is about 10, then she's questioned, asked for ID cards and all things occur. Otherwise, she can go. If not, she has to stay back. This is a procedure that's been following. When we ask why the procedure is being followed, they do not have they don't want to provide an answer. They simply say that you are following rules.
But in fact, Pramod, there's a young girl who's behind you who's actually being spoken to by the police. Maybe you can get a word from them and find out what's going on. But we'll keep coming back to you for more updates. Thanks so much for joining us.